Students, I'm going to do a quick video on the Area Concepts Digital Center. So all you do on these are you're determining area. So someone had asked me a question about how to do this. So let's go to slide number 2. So see this green square in B? Well, these are each worth 1 square unit. So I'm going to do my best to try to pick it up and move it. So I can already kind of guess. So this is 1. Well, if I were to move it up here, I would have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So my answer down here, I would write 6. Okay? So that's how you do that. You're just kind of trying to use this square inch to make an estimate of how many of these squares you need. So it's about 6. Let's look at slide number 3. This wants you to find the plane shape that has a square unit of 10. So I'm going to take shape A. I'm going to click and drag it up into the square unit. Okay, move it down so it's a little more even. I'm going to do the same with B. Okay, so now I'm just going to count how many squares. So for shape A, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now they're looking for one with 10 square units. So let's go ahead and look at B. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is going to be B. Okay. Now if I came down here, they want you to find the area. So you're just going to click and drag everything to the correct one. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So then I would just move this 12 over here. So basically, as long as you're in the editing mode, you can click and drag everything.